Good morning, Junior 1. This is Miss Yasmin. Let's start answering the revision sheet. Okay, open up your revision sheet. All of you, can you hear me? Please write in the chat. Answer me in the chat if you can hear me. Can you hear me now? Junior 1, can you hear me? Is my voice clear? Yes, okay. Okay. Good morning, Junior 1. This is Mrs. Yasmin. I'm going to solve the math revision sheet with you now. Open up your revision sheets. Okay. And be with me step by step. Okay. The first question, choose. Okay. When you solve the choose question, don't write in the dots. Don't write. Just choose. Just draw a circle around the correct answer or underline it. Okay. Don't write in the dots. Okay. Okay. Can you hear me? Please answer in the chat. Anyone? Can you hear me? Okay. Number A, 4 plus 0. We said before, any number plus 0 equals the same number. The same number because 0 is very weak. It's very weak. Okay? So any number plus 0 equals the same number. 4 plus 0 equals 4. So draw a circle around the answer. Just draw a circle. Don't write in the dots. Okay? Number B. This sign means that we need here in the dots a bigger number than 9 or a smaller number. Just think first. In the dots here, we need a smaller number than 9 or a bigger number. You know that the mouth of the hungry fish eats the bigger number. So 9 is the bigger. So here we need a smaller number. Is 7 smaller than 9? Yes. 10 is smaller than 9? Of course not. 11 is smaller than 9? Of course not. So we are going to choose 7. Okay, number C. 7 plus 2 and 9 plus 0. Before answering and before choosing the sign, you have to solve this equation and this one. Okay, you have to solve both equations. Then you choose the sign. So let's start answering the first equation, 7 plus 2. In addition, remembering with me. In addition, we count after the bigger number. Put the bigger in your mind and the smaller on your fingers, then count after the bigger. Okay, in addition, we count after the bigger number, don't forget. So 7 in your mind and 2 on your fingers. After 7, 8, 9. So write 9 above at the top. Okay, then 9 plus 0. We said here before, any number plus 0 equals the same number. So 9 plus 0 equals 9. Write it above. Cross this one and cross this one. Okay, then we are going to do the sign considering the new numbers we wrote, okay? 9 here and 9 here, okay? So they are equal, of course. So we are going to choose the equal sign. Okay, number D. 8 plus 2, please cross out 2 and write it in digits. Okay, we write it in digits. This is math. So you have to cross any number in letters and write it in digits, okay? 8 plus 2, again, in addition, we count after the bigger number. Put the bigger in your mind and the smaller on your fingers. After 8, 9, 10. Okay. The choice is wrong. Cross 5, this, cross 5, and put 10. Okay. It's, okay, it's 10. So we circle 10. Number E, 7. Did you do the correction? Do the correction with me. Cross out 5 and put 10 and circle it, okay? Number E, 7 is just after. Just after. After means bigger or smaller. After means bigger or smaller. After means bigger, okay? After means bigger. So what's bigger than 7, but just after it? The one just after it. It's 7. What's after 7? 8. Okay, circle 8. Okay. Next, number 2, add. Add means what? Add means plus. Remember this because maybe add will you will see it in the story problem. So you have to know that add means plus. Okay, 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 in addition, in plus يعني, in plus, in addition, we count after the bigger number. 5 in your mind and 3 on your fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8. Write 8 here. Okay? Again, number B, 7 plus 1. Plus 1 means just after. يعني, what's the number just after 7? Any number plus 1 means what's the number just after this number? 7 plus 1 means what's the number just after this number? So what's just after 7? 8. Okay, excellent, Yasin. Hamza, the voice is not clear. Okay, I'm trying. Okay, what's about now? Is it clear? Hamza Muhammad. Is it clear, the voice now? Hurry up, answer me in the chat. Is it clear now? Anybody? Anybody answers me? No. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. Is no 7 plus 1, it's 8. What's just after? After 7. After means bigger. After means bigger. What's just after 7? Okay? Do you understand now? What's just after 7 means bigger than 7. Okay? Next, number C, 0 plus 3. 0 plus 3, any number plus 0 equals the same number. Excellent, Mustafa. It's 3. Excellent. 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 Okay. Next. What's just after? Is it 6? 6 is bigger than 7? 6 is bigger than 7? Is it real? What's bigger than 7? Okay, excellent. 7 is just after 6, okay. And what's just after 7? You have 7 here. Here it's 7. It's not 6. This is 7. It's not 6. What's just after 7? It's 8. 7 plus 8. 7 in your mind and 1 on your fingers. After 7, 8. Okay? It's very clear. Okay, let's return to our equation. Number D. 2 plus 2. 2 on your mind and 2 on your fingers. After 2, 3, 4. Excellent, boys. 4. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Okay. Next. Arrange descendingly. Do you have E? Do you have E after D? Yeah. Okay, I understand now. Okay, I get it. I get it. You are talking about number E in the choose, right? Number E in the choose, right? Okay, 7 is just after what? Here the dots are at the end of the question. Okay, junior 1, remember this. I'm sorry, I missed it. Okay, number 7 is just after what? Here the dots are, yes, 6, right? Correct this. Yes, right. Okay, it's 6 because the dots are at the end of the question. When the dots are at the end, you switch after to before. And if it's before, you will switch it to after. Okay? When the dots are at the end, take care of this point. It's very important. If the dots are at the end of the question, you switch after to before. And if it was before, you will solve it as after. And if it is bigger, you will do it smaller. And if it is smaller, you will do it bigger, okay? You will switch. But if the dots are at the beginning, you will solve it as it is. If it is after, it will be after. If it is before, it will be before. If it is bigger, so it will be bigger. If it is smaller, it will be smaller. But when the dots, take care, when the dots are at the end of the question, you will switch after to before and before to after and smaller to bigger, bigger to smaller. Do you understand? Do you get it? So the answer here is what's before 7? What's before 7? Not after. What's before 7? So it's 6, right? Okay. Let's move to number 3, descending. We said before, D, descending, D what? D dinosaur, okay? D descending, D dinosaur. So we are going to arrange the numbers from the bigger, because the dinosaur is bigger, is the biggest, to the smaller number, okay? Which is first, you have to cross out the numbers in letters and put it in digits, okay? Write them in digits. Okay, starting from 8. Excellent, boys, Muaz, Mustafa. We are going to start with 8, cross it out, then 5, and cross it out, then 3, and cross it out, then 1, and cross it out, then 0. Okay, this is the order. Thank you. Excellent, boys. Okay. Now, next, story problems. Number A. Okay, you have your pencils in your hands. Follow me word by word. Yes, Malik Ahmed, thank you. Okay, number A. Okay, thank you, Abdurrahman, excellent. Karim has 10 blocks. He's draw a circle around any number you see, okay? Karim has 10 blocks. His brother has 5 blocks. Circle 5. How many blocks? Circle the word after how many, because you are going to use it in the answer, okay? Circle 10 and circle 5, circle blocks. How many blocks are there all together? We said before that all indicates plus. All and together indicates plus, okay? So we are going to solve it as a plus equation. 10 plus 5 equals 15. 15 what? Oranges? Apples? No, blocks. That's why we circle blocks, okay? They are 15 blocks. Okay? Do you understand? Are you all following? Write yes on the chat if you are following me. Mahmoud, Yasin, Osama. Okay, excellent. Okay, Malik, excellent. Okay. Number B, Adam. Okay, okay. Adam had balls? No, blocks, not balls. We haven't got any balls here. Number B, Adam has got 7 balls. Oh, you are answering the next question. Okay. Adam has got 7 balls. His brother has got 8 balls. 8 balls, more or less? Do you think with me? 8 balls, 8 more or less? Adam has got 7 balls. His brother has 8 balls, more or less? Of course, more, right? What's the total number? Circle total. What's the meaning of total? Total means plus. And we understood this from the story problem. Adam has got 7 balls, and of course his brother has got 8 more. As long as it is more, so it is plus. What's the total number of all balls? He's asking about the balls, right? So circle balls. 7 plus 8 equals 15. What? 15 balls. Right, excellent, excellent, Iyad, excellent, Malik, excellent, boys. Okay. Number C, Heba collected 15 stamps. She collected 8 more. More means plus. What's the total? Circle total and write plus. What's the total does she collect? Total what? Total of what? Of course, stamps. Okay. 15 plus 15, 23 what? 15 plus 8 equals 15 in your mind and 8 on your fingers. After 15, 16, 17, count. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. It's 23. Count properly. Count properly. Count again. 23 stems. Yes. 23. Excellent, boys. If you have finished, turn over your sheet. It's sheet number 2. Okay. Yes, stems. Okay, number A, 7 plus 2, 7 in your mind and 2 on your fingers, and count, of course. In addition, we count after the bigger again. I keep repeating, in addition, we count after the bigger. So 7 in your mind and 2 on your fingers. After 7, 8, 9, right? 9. Okay, next. Excellent, boys. B, number B, 3 plus 0. Any number plus 0 equals what? Answer me. Any number plus 0 equals what? Any number. Not 3. Any number plus 0 equals, if it is 8 plus 0, 18 plus 0, same. Excellent. Same number. So 3 plus 0 equals 3. 6 plus 1. I said plus 1 means what's just after 6 without counting. What's just after 6? Excellent, boys. 7. Okay. 8 plus 0. Any number plus 0 equals the same number. It's 8. Right. Excellent. Excellent, boys. Okay. Next. Complete. Remember. Okay. Let's it be later. Okay. What's just after? What's just before 6 plus 3? The first thing, the dots is at the beginning, right? At the beginning. So we are going to solve it as it is before. It would be before. We will not switch before. But the dots, when the dots are at the end, we're going to switch before to after. Okay? Now it's before. And the dots are at the beginning, so we are going to solve it as before. First, we are going to solve the equation. 6 plus 3, 6 in your mind and 3 on your fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So what's before? Cross out the equation. It's finished. It's over. 6 plus 3 is finished. It's over. It's now 9. We are going to do it on 9. Okay, what's just before 9? Before means smaller. Right? Before means smaller. Yani we are going to count backwards. We are going to the back. B before, B back. B before, B back. So what's before 9? It's 8. Excellent, boys. Excellent. Okay. 2 plus 3. 3 in your mind and 2 on your fingers. After 3, 4, 5. Right? 5. Okay, 4 plus 4. 4 in your mind and 4 on your fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Are you with me? 8, right. Excellent, boys. Excellent, boys. Excellent. Okay, now complete the pattern. Here, starting from 1, then 3. So is counting forward or backwards? Forward or backwards? It's backwards or forward? Okay, it's forward. Is it counting or it's rabbit? Is it rabbit? It's skipping a number. Okay, skipping a number. Where is 2? No 2. So it's a rabbit. Then what's after 3? Of course, 4. So we are not going to write 4. We are going to skip it and jump to 5. Excellent. Excellent, boys. Then After 5 is 6. We are going to skip 6 and jump like a rabbit to 7. And here we are going to skip 8 and jump to 9. Do you understand the pattern? Yes, excellent. Okay, now here, number E, the dots are at the beginning. The dots are at the beginning. So we are going to solve it as before, as it is. We are not going to switch it, okay? If the dots are at the end, we're going to switch it. Before, it would be after. But here, the dots are at the beginning. So we are going to solve it as it is before. 3 plus 13. Skip 3 plus 13. 13 in your mind and 3 on your fingers, and count after the bigger in addition. After 13, 14, 15, 16, write it above. Okay, what's just before 16? 15. Excellent, boys. Excellent. Okay, next one, number F. Number F. The dots are at the beginning, so we are going to solve it as it is after. If the dots were at the end, it will switch after to before. Okay? Now we are going to solve it as it is, as after. 3 plus 15 plus means count after the bigger. 15 in your mind and 3 on your fingers. After 15, 16, 17, 18. Excellent. Write it above at the top. 18. What's just after 18? Come on, boys. Huh? After 18. Excellent. 19. Excellent, boys. Excellent. Okay. Number G. The greatest one-digit number is? The greatest one-digit number is? What's the greatest one-digit number? Remember that the one-digit numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These are the one-digit number. Okay. But what about 10? 10 is a two-digit number. Do you see? It's 1 and 0. 1 and 0, 2 digits. So what's the biggest? The greatest means biggest. Biggest one-digit number. 9. Excellent. Excellent. What's the smallest one-digit number? Huh? Who's going to answer first? What's the... Yes, excellent. Excellent. Mustafa, excellent. Mahmoud. Okay, excellent, excellent, boys. Right. What's the smallest two-digit number? The smallest two-digit number? Huh? 10. Excellent, excellent. What's... Okay. Ms. Salma, do you hear me? Do you hear me? Now, it's going on? Okay. Okay. What's the biggest, what's the greatest, the biggest two-digit number? مفيش صوت. بحسبكم بتقولوا سامعيني. Okay, what's the greatest, the biggest two-digit number? It's, okay, do you hear me now? Oh, 99, excellent, excellent. So what's, again, what's the smallest similar two-digit number? It's smallest, but similar. Means the two digits. I mean 2 digits. 2 digits. 11, excellent. They are 2 digits and they are similar. What's the meaning of similar, Junior 1? Similar means the same. The same. Okay? يعني equal. Equal. The same number. and 11 is 1 and 1. They are similar, they are equal, okay? But 10, they are different. They are different. It's 1 and 0, they are different, but these are similar. 1 is similar to 1, okay? No, not 10, 11, 11, similar. The smallest similar 2 digits number. Okay, next. Descending again, descending, D descending, D dinosaur, D descending, D dinosaur. So we are going to start with the bigger number. From the bigger to the smaller. We are going to arrange the numbers from the bigger to the smaller. 0 plus 9, any number plus 0 equals the same number. So cross it out and put 9. Okay, 2, then 6, any number in letters, cross it out and put it in digits. 0, it's okay. And then 7 plus 11, cross it out and do the equation. 11 plus 7. So after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, 18. Now we have 9, 2, 6, 0, and 18. We are going to start with 18. Excellent, boys. Then cross it out. And 9, cross it out. Then 6 is the bigger. Cross it out. Then 2. Then 0. Excellent, boys. Abdurrahman and Mustafa, excellent. Excellent, boys. Okay. The next question, choose. Excellent, boys. Excellent. Choose. Anas, X. No. What's this? Excellent, Mahmoud. Iyad, excellent. Okay. Now, we are going to solve the equation first. 6 plus 5. 6 in your mind, the bigger in your mind, and count after the bigger. 5 in your fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, write it above. Here we need a bigger number or a smaller number. The mouth of the hungry fish eats the bigger number. So 11 is the bigger number. We need here a smaller number. Here, what's smaller than 11? No, we are not going to write, okay? In the choose question, don't you ever write the answer here. Just make a circle around the answer. So 5 is smaller than 11, excellent. 17 is bigger than 11, and 19 is bigger than 11. So we are going to choose 5. Okay, number B, 4 plus 5. 5 in your mind and 4 on your fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 9. We are going to choose 9. 3 plus 2. First, solve the equation. Cross it out and write the answer. 3 in your mind and 2 on your fingers. So 5. And here we need a bigger number or a smaller number. The hungry fish eats the bigger number. So we need a number bigger than 5. 2 is bigger than 5? No. 5 is bigger than 5? No. So it's 9. Excellent. Remember that before the online is finished, remember your test items includes that you have to write the numbers, the numbers from 0 to 20 in letters. You should know how to write the numbers from 0 to 20 in letters. You are going to be asked about them, okay? You have to study the spelling of the numbers from 0 to 20, okay? Remember that. You may be asked in the exam to write any number starting from 0 to 20 in letters. Okay, if you have finished, turn over your sheet. It's the last one. Okay, the sign. You are asked to put the sign bigger than or smaller than or equal. 7, and here 4 plus 3. Cross it out and do the equation. 4 plus 3 equal 4 in your mind and 3 on your fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7, write it above. So it's equal sign. We are going to write the equal sign. Right, excellent boys. Number B, 9 plus 3. Do the equation, 9 in your mind and 3 on your fingers. After 9, 10, 11, 12, right, 12 above. 2 plus 1 is, what's just after 2? What's just after 2? It's 3. You have to solve exactly as I do. Exactly. You have to cross any equation and put the answer above it, okay? So 12 is bigger than 3. Excellent, Yahya. Okay, number C. This number is 8. Cross it out and put 8 in digits. 5 plus 4, cross it out. 5 in your mind and 4 on your fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So which is bigger? Anas, excellent. 9 is bigger than 8. Okay. Solve. Number A, B, C, D. Okay. 3 plus 13. 13 in your mind and 3 on your fingers. After 13, 14, 15, 16. Excellent. 16 plus 4. 16 in your minds and 4 on your fingers. After 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Excellent. Okay, number C, any number plus 0 equals, no, any number plus 0 equals the same number. It's 19. Okay. 6 plus 15. 15 in your mind, the bigger in your mind, and count after the bigger, and 6 on your fingers. After 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Right, excellent boys. Okay, complete. Okay, what the dots are at the beginning, so we are going to solve it as it is, as after. What's just after? Read this number. What's this number? 8. It's 8. So what's just after 8? It's 9. Excellent. Okay. We are going out of time, Junior 1, so you can, I know that you can complete the rest of the sheet on your own, right? You can complete it on your own. Okay. Number B, 6 plus 2, 6 in your mind and 2 on your fingers. After 6, 7, 8. Excellent, boys. 12 plus 1 means what's just after 12? Hurry up, what's just after 12? Excellent, Yahya, 13. It's 13. Okay, this is pattern, the pattern, 18, 17. It's going backwards, right? It's going backwards, right? And it's not a rabbit.